All right, raw herbal formulas. Let's talk about a classic herbal formula, Sajunsatang. It's 4 herbs and it's in the Tonify the Qi category. You know all these herbs now. So it's a 4-herb formula. The first one is Renshen, although we're going to use Dangshen. Cheaper, a little better. Then we have Baiju, Atractylotus macrocephaly rhizoma, Fuling, which is drain damp, and then finally Gansao, which is licorice, which is Tonify the Qi. So we have 3 Tonify the Qi herbs, and then we have 1 drain dampness herb in this. And here is what the raw formula would look like. So we have 3 packets. When you do raw formulas, each packet is 2 days. So because we're going to use 18 grams of Dangshen, come on in. Because we're going to use 18 grams of Dangshen, we're going to use 18 grams of Dangshen. We're going to use 6 grams of Baiju. We're going to use 6 grams of Fuling, and we're going to use 6 grams of Gansao. Because this is 2 days worth, you double the amounts. So actually, this is 36 grams of Dangshen, 12 grams of Baiju, 12 grams of Fuling, and 12 grams of Gansao. You make 3 packets, that's 2 days, 4 days, 6 days total. And that's how you prep raw herbal formulas. All right, we're back home. We took a packet of herbs, we put it in the clay pot, which is the ideal way for preparing herbs, and also classically how it was done. Stainless steel is fine, non-reactive metal is fine, aluminum no good. What we did is we took a packet of herbs and then soaked it with about 1.5 inches of water so that the herbs get a chance to soften up a little bit. What we're gonna now do, so I ended up soaking this for about 4 hours. You can do an hour. For some herbs, best to do overnight. Now what we do is we put the lid on, bring this up to a boil, and then reduce to a simmer. Reduce to a simmer for about 60 minutes. Have a really nice simmer going. Let's take a look. Yeah. Very nice. Boiling away. All right, the herbs have been boiled, and I'm gonna let this cool down for a while, and then I need to transfer into 4 different containers. As a reminder, each packet is 2 days worth of herbs. Since I'm going to take 2 doses a day, 2 doses for 2 days is 4, so you divide that into 4 equal parts, and you'll get to see some of this, see how this turns out. Little strain here. Oh yeah, earthy. Let's see if I can get this pretty evenly distributed. Maybe. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. So there's 4 equal doses, more or less. 4 equal doses. I'll cap them up. Then store them in the refrigerator. Final thing I'll say is never drink cold herbs. Make sure they're room temperature or warm. So since these are warm, I'll take my first dose right here. It's good. Tastes like licorice and tree branches. And the final thing I'll show here is the dregs. So this is the herbs after boiled. You can either compost these or just throw them out. You don't want to keep these around, could get moldy, but here's here's that Dangshen, kind of pretty soft and beautiful. Here's some Fuling, here's some licorice, and then the Baiju is actually chopped up, little pieces of chopped up there. But that's it. So I'm gonna throw those away. I don't have a compost. There's the pot, there's a dose of herbs, and that's that.